Millions of people suffer from hunger, a problem that has persisted for decades without clear solution. My name is JP Asilo and I'm a student at Centennial College. I'm going to talk with you about food insecurity. What is food security? The Oxford Dictionary defines food insecurity as the condition where one does not get sufficient quantity and quality of food to meet one basic nutrients need or nourishment. This is an issue that eventually becoming a concern in our modern society. It's strange because although we have more than enough food to feed ourselves, we don't have enough of the food that could give us the proper nutrition to ensure our body gets the nutrients it needs. It has gotten so bad that according to the research Miriam Doertcher, in 2023 alone, around 23% of Canadian households experience some form of food insecurity. That translates to 8.7 million people, including 8.1 children, who is struggling to access sufficient, safe, nutritious food. Now, even the food bank and organization are struggling to resolve the issue. So how did communities react to this problem? They organized food charity to ensure communities and people had access to quality food that met their nutritional needs. However, charities could not only do so much stem the problem as they only provide band-aid solution. This organization and institutional run these food charities will eventually experience charity fatigue and stop their mission to provide quality food together. So I dare ask you, how do we solve problem of food insecurity? Yes, there is a long as people recognize the food insecurity is a systemic problem in society that requires systemic approach to provide long-term solution. What are example of systemic example of food security? Example of such approach is formulating policies and laws that make it mandatory to ensure food insecurity in every province, town, and communities. Incorporating food insecurity is the educational system in another approach that can be implemented. It is not just filling our tummies, but it is sustaining our existence through generation with our proper diet.